Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is Chapter 8, and name of this chapter is average. Okay. From Chapter 8 we shall solve CBQ number 3. My dear students, before starting to solve this math, at first read the question. In the first term examination, Shohan, student name is Shohan. Shohan got 82 in Bangla, 96 in math, 68 in English, 73 in science, 77 in Bangladesh studies, and 90 in religions. That means in first term examination, Shohan got marks in Bangla, math, English, science, Biswas and religion. Okay, by using this information we shall solve question number A, B and C. So question number A, how many marks did he get in first three subjects? That means first three subjects are what? First three subject is Bangla, math and English. So we need to find out the total mark of Bangla, math and English which he obtained in first term exam. Question number B, what is the average marks did he get in fourth and fifth subject? What is the fourth subject? Here fourth subject is science and fifth subject is Bangladesh studies. In science he got 73 marks and in Bangladesh studies he got 77 marks. Okay, from these two subjects we shall find out the average marks did he obtained in fourth and fifth subject. Question number C, what is the average marks did he get in each subject? That means first of all we add the total marks which he obtained in first term examination. After that we divide the total marks by the number of subject, then we get the average marks did he obtained in each subject. So let us start our first question. Our first question is, how many marks did he get in first three subjects? So first of all write given that Shohan got 82 in Bangla. Okay, 82 in Bangla, 96 in mathematics and 68 in English. Okay, first three subject means Bangla, math and English. In Bangla he got 82 marks, in mathematics he got 96 marks and in English he got 68 marks. So we need to find out the total marks. Okay, so now the total marks he got, so the total marks he got in first three subject is 82 plus 96 plus 68 marks. Okay, now I add 8 and 6, 14 and 2, 16, carrying 1. Okay, so 6 on 7, 7 and 9, 16, 16 and 8, 24. So 240 marks, and it is the answer of question number A, 246 marks. I hope you have understood. Okay, so my dear student, this is question number A. Next we shall solve question number B. Question number B is, what is the average marks did he get in fourth and fifth subject? Before starting to solve this math, at first we need to know who is on his fourth subject and who is on his fifth subject. Here fourth subject is science and fifth subject is Bangladesh studies. So let us solve this math. Question number B. In fourth subject, that is in science, he got 73 marks. Okay, so here I given that in fifth subject, that is in Bangladesh studies, he got 77 marks. Okay, he got in total of fourth and fifth subject is how much? 73 plus 77 marks. Okay, now I add 7 and 3, 10, carrying on 7, 7, 14 and on 15, so 150 marks. How many subjects are there? 2 subjects. So right here there are 2 subjects. Okay, so I find out the average marks. We know that average is equal to sum of data divided by number of data. So now average marks in fourth and fifth subject is 150 divided by 2 marks. That means 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 13. That means if I divide 150 by 2, then we get 75 marks. Okay, so this is the answer of question number B. Right? Okay, I hope you have understood. That means we add these 2 numbers and finally we divide this addition by 2 and we get the answer. Okay, so question number C. Question number C is, what is the average marks did he get in each subject? That means we need to add the marks which he obtained in first term examination. Okay, that means all subject marks will be added first. After that we divide that total marks by the number of subject and we get the average marks. Okay, so write given that Shohan got Shohan got 82 in Bangla, 96 in mathematics, then 68 in English, okay, then 73 in science, then 77 in Bangladesh studies, and 90 in religion. Okay, now we find out the total marks. So the total marks of all subjects, what we add 82 plus 96 plus 68 plus 73 plus 77 plus 90. Done. Now I add Okay, 0, 7. 7, 3, 10. 10, 18, 18 and 6, 24, 24 and 2, 26, carrying 2. 9 and 2, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18 and 7, 25, 25 and 6, 31, 30, 40, 48. So 486 marks. Okay. There are how many subjects? There are 6 subjects. So write there are 6 subjects. Okay. Now we can write the average marks in all subjects. So the average marks in all subject. So sum of data, that means 486 divided by number of data. Now we divide MARKS. So in 48, 6 goes in 6. 6 8 are 48 and 6 ones are 6. 81 marks. So his average mark is 81. It is the answer. My dear students, this is our today's lecture. It is so easy and you have done the chapter a lot of times, I hope, so you can easily understand this math, and I hope this math is the more easiest math in this chapter. Okay, so there is no SW today, but you have to practice this math at home. Okay, so my dear students, today's lecture is finished. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.